This one, I guess, is attempt number one. It's called Bird's Eye. Bird's Eye. Uh, Being the one in the ejector seat was definitely for me. I was being the Mega Man, giant jester complete. Inside hearing and seeing. No longer Lone Ranger lesser, myself being mighty, needing to get back to work again. Had that certain super song on repeat. Reserving in my brain for weeks to get back to alternative again. I crushing to the floor the pill of the caffeine. Had on my herculean of music feet. Deserving a break with pain, so to speak. I being humongous. Had on the brand new swerve driver trend. So by the ways of I being that brand new fan, with a helping hand to lend, I then declared ESR, my fine new sidekick for back to work I had to get, well, calling, my friend. I then shrank in size, a fan like I gave the swerve drive another try. I then flew out the door, back into the windy Brobdingnagian, railed again. I had products to vend, and the chorus, into the studio he goes again, as the true mood, bro, for hip flows to lend. With blue shoes and the pure pen, he was with the who's who of council, as Obi-Wan Ben. The council is Obi-Wan Ben. And Avalon, Dakota, 11/3/24. And it's about 11:38 a.m. right now. And yeah, bird's eye. If that makes sense. Yeah, just, yeah, thank you.